Hi everybody, this one's going to be pretty quick. I just wanted to share a little tip that I've kind of discovered while filming my most recent NASCAR stop motion video. It is a road course at Sonoma, and kind of on accident there's actual elevation changes in this one, but that's actually kind of bad for stop motion, especially with little rolling die-cast cars, because you need the cars to stop for stop motion.
But I got a solution.
So here we are at turn 11. All the cars are on different areas of the track, so no spoilers for this. But we've got two cars that we're going to use for demonstration purposes, our road course ringers, Marcus Ambrose and AJ Allmendinger. And if you'll notice here, there's kind of some bumps if I push this car. There's a bump, there's a bump, there's another bump, there's another bump. And it leads to some difficult filming. You can kind of see here. Well, of course now it stays still, but that's been a problem area. This is kind of a problem area a little bit, as the cars are... It works better going backwards. There you go. You can see, of course that's not the way it really goes, but it does create problems getting the cars to stop. So AJ Allmendinger is our control, but what I've found really helps you out is if you pick up some little photo bumpers. These are little like clear plastic rubber things. They've got sticky back, so they're stickers. And if you do something like this is actually a different brand, but I've stuck one for all 35 cars right underneath the fuel cell. And if you do that, the car stays still. And if you get the right size, let me move that out of the way, you can actually get it to where the rubber is on the track and it's keeping your car still, but the wheels are not lifted off, and so you still get the wheels turning. So, lots of movement here. No movement, much more in control. So, if you are ever doing a stop motion and you've got a bit of an unwanted elevation change and you really need to stop those cars, pick up some photo frame bumpers. These are super cheap. I think this is like $3 or $4 per, as it comes out of the package, $3 or $4 per pack of 20. So pretty cheap. You can get a lot of them. Later on, when I try a much more high banked track, I'm gonna see if these will also help kind of keep the cars in the banking. But there you go, just a real quick little tip that I wanted to share with you all. Thanks for watching.